I think that it can be frightening if you don't stay out in front of it. I think it can be exciting if you do stay out in front of it. You know, there's a lot of training going on, a lot of equipment that needs to be purchased, and you really got to be careful when you're doing that stuff and make sure that you're staying ahead of the game.
I think it's really exciting in the fact that things are changing so quickly, and it allows shops to stand out by differentiating themselves and by making sure they're listening to the needs of their customers. In today's marketplace, our customers are empowered to choose where they have their car repaired. 20 years ago, you kind of had the phone book to thumb through, and now you have Yelp and Google and so many sources available online that the power is shifting into the hands of our consumers, where it wasn't that way in years past. So now it's exciting because if we do repairs properly and we take care of our customers, they're loyal and they come back, and that's an exciting thing to me.
It's a period where the gaps between your competitors are increasing every day. You have people that are proactive, that are investing in the new technology, investing in new training and things like that, and it's definitely being set apart from the people that aren't doing that. So, you know, I have a family-owned business. My daughters and my son-in-law are heavily engaged in the business, and I am trying to give leadership in that quality so that they have something in the future to be able to continue our goodwill.